Hello and welcome to Green Philosophers channel. My name is Aiden. This is my friend Aristotle, and today we're gonna learn about the world of bees, how they live, what they do, different types of species. So let's begin. But before we start, please like and subscribe to not miss our videos that are going every day. And let's dive into the bee world. So here the farm that we have, and before start we need to take our camera and notebook, and let's begin. Hello and welcome to the farm. In this world you will learn all about bees, pollination and farming. Let's first have a quick look around what we have here. Let's check this one. What is it? Pollinator garden. Hello and welcome to my pollinator garden. Hello, Terrell. Will you help me plant a few more flowers? Take some flowers from this chest and get to work. Then watch the bees pollinate the flower. Okay, let's do this. Oh, so beautiful flower here. Flowers and bees. And let's plant more flowers. We also need to make the diversity so the bees will be more interested. Good, and this is how our garden looks right now. We have a lot of flowers here, a lot of bees, and I believe so we'll have a lot of honey as well soon. The bees are now enjoying their garden. We plant a lot of flowers, and it's diverse as well. We have 6 or 5 different types of flowers, which is great. And this is the tools and materials that we need to use in order to build the beehive. Let's also build more beehive because we have a lot of bees here. Let's take this everything that we might need. Put it here, put the beehive as well, and one more here. Oops, that's good. Now for every bee there is a home now, which is amazing. Let's continue explore what else we have here. It takes 2 million flowers to make 1 pound of honey, and we need healthy, happy bees to pollinate the food on this farm. So it's important that these bees have a large diversity of flowers. This is great. I believe we have a very diverse farm here, and the bees are happy. I believe so as well. So let's continue. Beekeeper Zach. I'm 4th generation beekeeper and I really care about my bees. Watch this video to learn more about what I do. Thank you as well. What else we have here? Construct your own bee-friendly farm. We can do this later. I believe so. So now we can continue to learn more about bees. Let's go to Beetopia. Hello and welcome to Beetopia. Here you will learn all about different species of bees and their habitat. Let's learn more about different types of bees. Bumblebees, sweat bees. Let's learn first about bumblebees. Bumblebees. Alejandro. Welcome to Bumblebee Garden. Hello, Alejandro. Please step inside to learn all about our beautiful bumbling bumblebees and where they like to live. Sure. Wow, this image is so beautiful. So amazing. And so let's learn more about bumblebees. Bumblebees are social bees, just like honeybees. They live in nest cavities as a colony with the queen, female workers, and the few males. Okay. Bumblebees pollinate some flowers using buzz pollination. They ask the flowers to release its pollen by buzzing in a specific key like B flat or F sharp. Wow, interesting. Bumblebees defy gravity. Their tiny wings shouldn't be able to leave their giant fuzzy body, according to physics, but try telling a flying bumblebee that. Interesting. Bumblebees are generalists and need a large diversity of flowers, nectar, and pollen to stay healthy. Usually, bumblebees live underground in abundant rodent holes. Wow. So this is how they really live, the real bumblebees. Wow. Thanks for their dense, fuzzy coat, bumblebees can fly in cold temperatures and high elevations. In a recent study, scientists put them in a pressure chamber and found that they could fly at an elevation 500 feet higher than the Mount Everest. Wow! I also heard that bumblebees can fly in and work in really cold temperature, which is so impressive of them. They're really hardworking and so unusual type of bees. But sometimes bumblebees will live above ground in cavities like hollow trees or even human-made cavities like bird houses. Wow. There are over 250 species of bumblebees in the world with all different markings. And this we will use next to build our own bumblebee farm. And let's check and learn more about the sweat bees. I think those are, is it sweat bees? Welcome to Sweat Bees Garden. Sweat bees get their name from being attracted to human sweat. They will land on you and will try to lick off your sweat. Can you imagine how this would feel? Some kids call them tickle bees. Wow, let's learn more about them and what they do. Every bee has 4 life stages: egg, larva, pupa, adult. Wow. No matter, oh, well, let's maybe here. Agapostemon means stamen loving, as stamen is a pollen producing part of the flower. No matter this species, all bees need a nesting space to raise their brood. Some bees nest in cavities, other in tunnels, and most nest in the ground.
Wet bees.
Bees live in the ground. Okay.
Wet bees
Are only found in the Western Hemisphere, but live from North Canada to the tip of Argentina. Wow.
Wet bees
Are generalists and love many different flowers. Among their favorite are sunflowers. They required a diversity of flowers to be healthy. So this is our
wet bee.
hello. An important component of bee habitat is fresh, unpolluted water. A female
Wet bee.
make a nest in the soil almost anywhere, vertical banks or flat ground. Wow. A females
Wet bee.
dig a whole tunnel down into the soil and then creates cells off to the side to store balls of pollen and nectar, which she lays an egg on. The female
Wet bee.
usually die after she is done laying eggs. Adult male and female
Wet bees
emerge in the spring and start the cycle over again. Wow. Our bees face 4 main challenges. Pesticides can hurt bees by poisoning their food, nectar and pollen, and water. Climate change can hurt bees by causing extreme weather, which can result in wildfires, drought, and flooding, destroying bee habitat. Disease, which can be transferred from bee to bee or by a pest like a tiny mite. Habitat loss is the destruction of the bee flowers, nesting space, and water source, usually caused by humans for urban expansion or agriculture crops. Oh, sweet bee supplies. Find the items in the chest to make your own sweet bee habitat in the empty field next door. Sure, we'll take this as well. And here we can end for today. In next video, we will learn more about mason bees and we will build our own bee farm. And thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.